Have you been looking for an affordable two-story home in the Boiling Springs, Spartanburg County area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of my newest listing right here at 807 Millsgrove Court in Boiling Springs, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Oconee County, Pickens County, Lawrence County, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, in this video, we're going to take a tour of my newest listing right here at 807 Millsgrove Court right here in Boiling Springs, South Carolina. Super conveniently located, plenty of shops, restaurants nearby. It's located on a cul-de-sac lot, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, open floor plan with granite countertops in the kitchen. There's a spacious loft area upstairs as well, 2-car garage. Like I said, it's located on a cul-de-sac lot here. Let's go inside and check it out. And by the way, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified the next time we post a new video. All right, let's check out this property that we have for sale right here. Like I said, it's located on a cul-de-sac lot. Only a few homes in its cul-de-sac. Nice long driveway. You've got the nice accent with the brick accent on the outside. 2-car garage. Got a little small front porch here. Storm door. Spacious entryway here. So check out the powder room. All right, so this is the garage, 2-car garage with an automatic door opener. All right, so right here is a coat closet, pretty deep coat closet there. And you got the spacious dining area. And this fixture here, the current owner replaced that chandelier, so it's an upgraded fixture in the chandelier. And that goes upstairs. We'll go up there in a moment. Open floor plan. There's a ceiling fan in the family room area here, and there's also a ceiling fan in every bedroom upstairs. And in the kitchen here, there's a pantry closet, and you do have this overhang right here, so you could put bar stools in this area as well if you wanted to. And stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and you got the built-in microwave. The dishwasher is on this side over here. And this would normally be the breakfast area right here. That's where the breakfast area would be. And you got the, breakfast area. So it'll be, if you wanted to set up the table over there, you can do that as well. Okay, nice open floor plan. Check out the backyard while we're here. And this is the covered patio. It's a 12 by 10 patio. Nice sized backyard. It's a little over 1/4 of an acre, so almost 1/3 of an acre on the lot size. So it's a good sized cul-de-sac lot. Nice open floor plan. And let's head on upstairs and check out the upstairs. All right, so up here you have the loft area, and it does open up on this side as well. So this could be another separate hangout area, and bedroom here. It does have a walk-in closet, so all these bedrooms all have walk-in closets, including this one. So there's a walk-in closet in that one as well. And a little linen closet, and the second bathroom. A little space over there, you can put a little seat to sit down and get ready. Walk-in laundry. It's a good sized laundry room. Look at how much space you have in there. Good size laundry. And look at the size of this master bedroom. You know, nice vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan, you know, good size room. And the ensuite bathroom, double sinks. You have a window here, lets in, you know, good natural light. It does have tub shower. And it is a garden tub as well. And, you know, nice linen closet there as well. And a huge walk-in closet in this one. Plenty of room there. Good size room. And this particular home right now, it's available for sale. And if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.